So we're over here in Alice Springs at the Temple Bar Caravan Park. Vic's, it's our reset day, got 3 nights here, so we're doing a bit of washing, and Vic needed a bit more clothesline space. So we headed over in town to Bunnings, got some supplies. So we got some wire for the plastic sleeve, some adjustable stainless steel, the turnbuckles. So we've got 2 of them, some eyelets, and some rope locks, and we're going to do a clothesline underneath the awning here. So we'll do a quick install, how we're going to do that. So I got these 6mm eye stainless steel, so they're from Bunnings. So the idea of these, so I can get them open, so pretty much drill a hole up here, and I'll be putting one there and one on the other side. So we'll get the drill out and we'll drill some holes. So we're just going to mark this, probably going to go 100mm. Probably about there and about there. So now you got your hole drilled up. We'll just put your eye and then a washer, and I just got a lock nut from Bunnings as well. So this is going to be the tricky part. Probably need a pair of pliers. You can't get your hand under there.
Would you like me to help with my tiny hands?
Might need a pair of pliers. They're just awkward to get in there. Well, might have got that time.
Third time lucky?
Yeah. Right.
Yep.
So we finally got that. So I just hold it with the spanner and then just with the shifter on this side. Just to... Right, that's it. So that's one side done. So pretty much rinse and repeat for the other side. Yeah, that's right. Yep. So we're just going to get one side done. So you just want to open up your turnbuckles, probably about halfway I'd say. Get your wire rope grips out. So just open them up a bit. Yep. So you got one side done up like that. So on the other end, the end of the wire. So just going to hook up one side till like that. And we're just going to pull this one across. Now we're just getting the length for what we need to cut this. You want your bare minimum so you could torque it up pretty tight. So when you're hanging your heavy towels and that, you don't like that. So that's going to go, open this one up halfway as well. If I go the right way, it might help. That's about halfway, so that's going to be hooked there, like that. And that wire is going to be about there and hooked back on itself, so should be able to cut that in around there. A pair of wire cutters or pliers. Alright, so we'll do the same thing with the other side with your little grip tight, and I'll show you that once that's done. So I've got that grip tight on there, so now I'm just going to pull the length. Try and get that as tight as we can. So we'll just nip these up. Alright, that's fine. So we'll just put your other grip tight on that one. So we'll just hook that on there, and now we should be able to just turn these turnbuckles on both sides. Loosen it, but go the right way and you'll get some tension. So you can do that on both sides. So that's pretty much it. We'll lift this up a bit. Yep. So that's turnbuckle on your eyelets, bit of steel cable for plastic shrouding, and that's your clothesline install done. So quick and easy, 5-10 minute install, race down to your hardware store. Like we're in remote Alice Springs here, probably wouldn't call it remote, but you do it anywhere in Australia if you've got the right stuff. So yeah, there's your clothesline. Keep the wife happy, keep the missus happy.
I'll let you know how it goes. Hasn't been tried and tested yet.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Looks good.
So we just finished a quick DIY clothesline install on our Lotus Caravan. So as you can see, it's behind us. It's already in use. Towers are hung. I'm pretty happy with it. All stainless steel gear from Bunnings. Works well.